Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put this one go to the left. We have y and first derivative of y. So we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. So we can see that positive number 3 next to y. This is for integrating factor. And that is about 3x. That means we need to multiply both sides by this one. So this one, that is about e to the power of 2x plus 3x. And that is about 5x. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of 8 multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So we have first derivative of 8 multiplied by b. This one, that is about first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have y e to the power of 3x. This one we have like this. Now we have the conditions. So I will put number 0 and number 1 gone here to find the value of c. This one we have number 1. This one we have 1 over 5. And this one we have 4 over 5 in here. So I will put this one gone here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.